guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Lauren. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my cleaning routine for my entire apartment. It was a disaster, so of course I had so much cleaning to get done. And I'm just starting off by cleaning off in the kitchen, putting away our dinner, and then going in and cleaning the tops of the counters. I really find that when my countertops are all clean and clear that I am most productive and motivated, and it just honestly puts me in such a good mood. Now I did have to wait to come back to my actual stovetop because it was still warm from cooking dinner. Now I'm just going back in and cleaning that up as well.
Your feet on the dance floor, and you don't care a thing about a word they say. That's how we play. That's how we play. I am here with my friends.
Of course, I had to light a Bath & Body Works candle just so everything would start to smell really nice and clean. Next, I'm moving on to my dishes. So, of course, we had some dishes left over from cooking dinner. I went ahead and washed all of our dishes from dinner that were left over, so a bunch of pots and pans and then cups and plates, since I already started the dishwasher, so that was already going and these needed to be finished as well. Moving on to our island, I wanted to go ahead and clear everything off of here. This is what tends to gather a lot of clutter and different items throughout the week. So I wanted to just go ahead and put everything back where it belongs and then clean up the mess and wipe down the counters. Lighting another candle, of course. I think this one was a cinnamon swirl scent. I don't know, it smells delicious though, you guys. Time to put away all of the dishes that I washed earlier. This way the kitchen looks extra clean and everything is back where it needs to go. Moving on to the living room, this was also somewhat of a cluttered mess with lots of things hanging out. I wanted to just reset the couch since our cushions tend to get very slumped, as you can see, and just put everything away where it belongs and just do a general tidying up. Now it's time to go in with the vacuum. We got a new vacuum for Christmas from Clay's mom, which was super sweet, and it is awesome. It gets everything up from the ground, and I love it so much. So I'm just going over our area rug here because this collects a bunch of crumbs and Charlie toys. Now, I don't tend to use the vacuum on the hardwood. I feel like it's not as good of a job. So I do go in with the broom and just sweep the entire kitchen and living room area that's wood floor. Just because I find that it gets every last little bit up and makes the home look really nice and clean. moving into the living room, this is already pretty much cleaned, so I just went ahead and put away anything that was on the bed, which was just 2 sweatshirts, and then kind of picked up our shoes and put them back in place. Just a simple little tidying up. I've been in the habit of making my bed every single day, you guys, and I am obsessed with it. It has honestly made our bedroom look 10,000 times more clean, and you just feel so much better when you come home from work and your room is nice and fresh. I'm going to pop in the bathroom as well and go ahead and again tidy up everything, put things away where they belong. We get in such a bad habit of just pulling things out of drawers and cabinets and then not putting them back where they go. So this is just a simple little pickup and cleaning. Lastly, I am going to just vacuum over our bedroom, and that is it for this cleaning video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little clean with me and maybe got a little bit of motivation to do some more cleaning as well for yourselves. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. I do also have an entire playlist full of cleaning videos, so I will have that link down below for you if you're interested in watching more. I know it always helps me when I'm not feeling motivated to clean to just binge watch a bunch of them. But without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys!